Oke, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Oke, uh, hello guys, welcome back to me again. I'm Owen Haris, and here we are. When I think you are very wanna guess what is this mean? The a pitcher, and there is a glass filled with water, clear water, and a text that is meaning like this is you. What does it mean? Okay, let me explain first to you guys. When you born in this cruel world, your parent just you are made into this world, and yeah, you just like this clear water. There is nothing negative. There is nothing bad happen to you. You are just like a holy person that first time you go to this world. That, and when you grow up, like 5 years old and 10 years old, after that, and 11, 20, that, and this glass is not clear anymore. I think there is dirt already goes inside to the glass, so the water cannot go clear again. And yeah, that's life. So what does it mean? So when you fill your activities with something negative, your life will be like dirt in water, so not clear anymore. It's very you don't like to drink it because it's very it's gross. That. But if you want to find another activities or you want to change your life, so you can just do something positive. So same just like this, when it's already pour a dirt inside to this glass, it's be a gross thing that you will see. But if you insert more water into this glass will be clear again, because the negative material will comes out and the positive will comes in. But of course, the negative will not disappear just like that. So when you just pour a positive vibes into your glass, it will be have a process. So the glass will, I think, will be filled, and then it slowly the negative things will comes out, but not disappear like that. And what does it mean? Yeah. My current activity that I do for myself is I always do some reflection. Yeah, it's very good. Even you are like talking to yourself. Is it normal to talking to yourself? I think for me it's very normal, and I don't know for the society it's normal or not. But I see some articles that is people studying about psychology or something. Talking to yourself is normal. Oh, when you have some problem or some issue with your life, it's okay to talking to yourself. Like I know it's very embarrassing when you talking to yourself in public. The public is just like, what is he doing? Is he crazy? I think he's go to the psychiater. That. But it's very healthy for you, because when you're talking to yourself, you just like reflection that what I'm doing right now, what is my goal, what is my achievement, and what is my plans. That. So yeah, I think you can apply it to your life to talking to yourself, but not like another people do, like the crazy stuff do, and not like that. And then it's very good if you make your schedule, because I have tried to make my schedule, but it's very hard because sometimes I got motivated and sometimes I'm not got motivated, because it's very hard to do something that goes on, because I always do procrastinating when I have something to do. Yeah. So yeah, it's very important to you. Yeah. And I always doing something that have effort to me. Like I always say salam to other people, and I always humble to another people. And it's very good for society because when the strange people meet you, you don't know about this person, and this person don't know about you. If you be nicer today to them, they uh, uh, will put your score to a good score, good point to you, because the people can say you are a nice person. And the activity, my default setting activity, yeah, like another people do it. I think that makes special to me. That is, I always keep my items of my example, my pen. Yeah, my pen. I always keep them in a safe place because it's very hard to get an item. Even this is not an RPG game, but you have to learn to respect to your item because your parent buy it with their money, or you buy that item with your money. You have to respect to that item, even the item is a little bit of broke, yeah, broke, but not that broken. Yeah, you have to stay respect to the item because searching the money is very hard. And we go back to this topic. Yeah, life is very hard. It's very hard. Yeah, I don't know what I do in my life, but it's very good. Yeah. I think sometimes if you want to fill your glass with a clear water again, sometimes you will be fail. Yeah, sometimes you will not, because yeah, life is not goes that easy. Life is like this, like a wave that doesn't know. I think I'm gonna just read it because I think I'll just go on repeat it again. Even if your life is too boring, when another people just heard about your life, so you just wake up 6 o'clock, then take a bath, breakfast, and prepare for school and learning. And then you just go to your dormitory again and doing the same things day
Over
by
and over
day,
again.
over and over again. Yeah, I know your life is boring, but your boring life is much beautiful. I have already experienced it because it's very unique. That is, you can stay on the track when there is too much distraction from the outside. You just go on, stay on your tracks. That's very good. And yeah, for the society, you have to be, yeah, like I said before, you have to be nicer, and then you have to be humble and make a good relation when you start to make another friends, like that. Yes, like this, like as an example, when you have a conversation with another people, when someone calls you, you have to hang your phone, just say to person that you talking to, like, sorry, I have a phone for a second, and you hang up the phone first, and sorry, I think we can talk later. That. And then just like this. Sorry, I have a call. Can you continue like that? So that's you make pay respect to other people. That's a good idea. And there is much thing that you can do in your life, like you can find your passion. Yeah, it's very easy to find your passion. You just go on in your life and you will find it sometimes. Like me, for example, I like to share and I like to make some connectivity, connect. I like to connect to strange people. I like to share. Yeah. I like to like doing different culture. Yeah, I like to. I find this passion when I go to teaching. Yeah, I join EDN program. I see different people, different background, and I can share my experience, my knowledge to them, and they can share their experience and knowledge to me. That's very cool. And yeah, just remind to you guys again, life is good if you do some good activity. I think that's 11 minutes for me. Sorry if I mistake in my word. I hope what I mean can be delivered to you guys. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.